I'm Jerome Drexler with Spire Architecture. As an architect builder, my job is to make everybody that's part of a project successful. I may come up with the initial concept, the ideas, and be the keeper of the design, but every project gets its own momentum and it starts answering its own questions along the way. There's a very strange thing that happens. Once you have a powerful concept and idea, it starts generating its own answers for everybody that's involved on the project. So for me, I want to make everybody on the project successful because ultimately it makes the project better. So if that's my design consultants understanding what the concept of the project is, what's going on with the project, so they can start making decisions and answering questions based on the rigor of the design. I know I've done a good thing when I have consultants on the design side coming back to me, making changes that are part of the concept of the project rather than just an element that's part of the project. Likewise, in the construction, everything on a project is a design decision, everything. From where switches are mounted, where plugs are positioned, all that stuff is a design decision. And so I come up with rules that allow everybody on the team to understand what those decisions need to be based on. And every project may have a slightly or radically different concept. I mean, if it's a project in Tahoe that's super modern with rustic materials, it has one sort of aesthetic. If it's a beach house that has sort of based on the architecture, the aesthetic pushes you in another direction. You're going to have different design decisions, solutions, responses based on the design concept. And I'm really good at sort of answering those questions quickly. A lot of subcontractors text me with pictures and ask me, do I put it here or I put it there? And I tell them, here's where you put it and here's why. And then later on in the project, I have them texting me, telling me where they put it and why they put it there. And it's based on the rule set we created long ago. And that way they're effective, they make decisions quickly, they're super efficient, and then they become part of the authorship of the project. And that's really the goal. This is a team event. This is sort of like Formula One. You have to act with urgency, you have to be very quick and precise, and you all have a common goal, and that's what this designing and building projects is all about.